Hey yo, what going on YouTube? Hey, y'all know who it is, man. Hey, it's your boy Young KD back at it again, you feel me? Hey, today I'm gonna teach y'all boys how to mix vocals on GarageBand. You know what I'm saying? So hey, y'all stay with me, man. Y'all don't wanna miss nothing on the video. No cap.
Sometimes I wonder how these niggas can hate. Sometimes I wonder why these bitches be fake. Sometimes I wonder why these niggas be snake. Sometimes I wonder, but you cannot relate. Sometimes I wonder how these niggas can hate. Sometimes I wonder why these bitches be fake. Sometimes I wonder why these niggas be snake. Sometimes I wonder, but you cannot relate. Pull up on your block with a brand new kid. Fully loaded choppers and I'm ready to spray. Proud of myself, I make niggas wanna start rapping. Put a 20 bar on your head for that capping. For that capping.
So what we want to do when we EQ the vocals, we want to search and destroy. You know what I'm saying? I got that from Wave Monopoly. Hey, shout out to him. Y'all go check him out. But yeah, man, you want to search and destroy. So you want to take an EQ band, take a point, make it real narrow, and then go up real high all the way up to hear what it sounds like. You kind of just search around until you hear a bad frequency, and then you dip it down or take some out until it sounds good. So let me show you what I'm talking about right now. I don't want to confuse nobody.
5 bands on the go, y'all. Having lucid dreams. It's a young world. Better hide your I could fuck your girl. Shining like a new diamond, not a fucking pearl. Having lucid.
Okay, so we did a good bit of taking bad frequencies out. So the last thing we did, we added a little high shelf at the end to kind of boost some frequencies that we want. I used the Samsung Q2U, a dynamic microphone on these vocals. So it's not the brightest mic, so I added about 5 dB on the high shelf, and it made it sound a little better, man. So hey, that's what we got for the first EQ. That's the first thing we did, start mixing these vocals. After that, man, we got another EQ, the LRC7 again, just taking out more frequencies and doing a little more. Here's what we got right now. Of course, it's gonna be different on every mic, but the first thing I like to do is like to EQ the vocal and get it smooth and as even as possible and get it sounding a little better. Yes, sir, man. Next thing we got is a compressor. We got the Wrld 3 compressor. And this is another compressor I added from the App Store. It's completely free. It's no trial or nothing, so you don't gotta worry about it like turning off when you're running out of nothing. You know what I'm saying? The Wrld 3, man, I like how this compressor sounds. I like how it is. You know what I'm saying? I got a 4:1 ratio. We got a medium release. No, we got a fast release, and we got a medium attack. These are the settings I like for compressors. It sounds the best for me. So hey, man, this is what I got. Y'all boy, make sure to copy these settings down if you got to, you know what I'm saying? I made the vocal definitely sound a whole lot more even. Hey, y'all already know what time it is, man. It's time for another compressor, and we got a different compressor. The RRS Comp 609. I'm pretty sure I pronounced that right. Hey, man, all the RRS plugins, I love these plugins. They sound the best. They sound like almost like Waves plugins, you feel me? But the bad thing about them, they all be free trials, and they all last 5 minutes, so you gotta delete the app and download it back, you know what I'm saying? But in my opinion, it's worth it. It only takes a couple seconds, man. They're not big apps at all. I mean, they're not big plugins. They don't take up space, so quick to download. But yeah, man, this is a very aggressive, powerful compressor. It's super aggressive, so aggressive they got a mix knob so you can mix in the compression with your original vocals, so it won't sound too aggressive. Kind of like parallel compression, if y'all know what that is. How you can squash a vocal with compression, then blend it in with the original signal until it sounds good. So that's kind of the idea I did for this compressor. So here are the settings I got it mixed in at about 40%. So y'all make sure to copy this down and definitely use this compressor. Hey, I'm tripping. I forgot to tell y'all one of the main things. I record my vocals on Bandlab, and I use the DS on Bandlab, and then I take everything else to GarageBand. I don't do nothing else on Bandlab. Oh yeah, Autotune. I add Autotune and the DS from Bandlab before I start mixing on GarageBand, and that's about it. I done messed around and dropped my mic and broke the little adapter that go into my mic. So now I had to finish the video on my headphones. Hey, so my bad about the change in quality. My bad I ain't showing face on the video right now. But yeah, after all those steps, the next thing we did, man, we saved the vocals. So you save the project on GarageBand. Cool, after you save the vocals, you want to add that file right back into your project. Because on GarageBand, they only let you have space for 4 plugins, which is crazy work to me. Bandlab even let you get 8 spots. So we finesse it and bring it back in so we can have another 4 plugins to add on it. Yeah, man, so I added the RRS EQ 560. And I love how this sound. It adds that little brightness to it. So this is what I did. Like I said, this mic didn't really have much brightness, So I added a lot more with this. And that 16K, I boosted that up real high just to get that that clarity, you know what I'm saying, that air sound. Yeah, man, after that, we added another EQ, the LRC7, getting rid of some more frequencies that we might have missed. Yeah, it looks like a whole lot of EQ that we did, but hey, it needed it, man. Y'all hear how it sounds way better than what it did. This ain't a vocal mic, you know what I'm saying, so I finessed it to kind of sound like one. We took out more of that 200 range, that 250 range. That's like that bass range, just a little too bassy. We took something out, you know what I'm saying. We took some more mid-range out, that high mid-range, around like 2500, 2700, something like that. Took by like -7 of that out. And we also took some of the highs out too. Y'all see I got a little, y'all see we got like a little high cut at the end because I really added a little too much brightness, so I took some away. And y'all gonna see me boost it again at the end because I realized I took a little bit too much brightness out. Yes sir, man. Now we got a free plugin. Hey, this plugin came on GarageBand, man. The chorus plugin. It adds a little thickness to the vocals, you know what I'm saying? A little wideness, a little fullness, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I added this on. I ain't add too much, just enough, just the right amount that I feel like sounded right for my mix. Hey, so man, here the settings I got for the chorus. Hey, the last thing I got is another RRS EQ 560 to add some brightness back. Yeah, ain't much to say about that. I just took a little bit too much out, so I'm adding a little brightness back. Yeah, and this a dub mic, man, so it needed a lot of brightness to sound kind of industry, you know what I'm saying? Sound like I had it on a good mic, so this is what I did. Hey man, if y'all want to see more videos like this, man, let me know, comment down below. Hopefully I'm be getting new equipment soon. An Austrian Audio OC16, that's a $400 mic, you know what I'm saying? I'm planning on getting that if everything go right. Also a new laptop, so I'm gonna have new software to play on, and also I'm gonna use GarageBand on the computer too. Hey man, so y'all boy, make sure to subscribe. New content coming soon. Bandlab videos on my page too if y'all mess with Bandlab. But yeah, man, appreciate y'all for y'all time. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next.
Sometimes I wonder how these can hate. Sometimes I wonder why these be fake. Sometimes I wonder why these be snake. Sometimes I wonder, but you cannot relate. Pull up on your block with a brand new kid. Fully loaded choppers and I'm ready to spray. I might go and put diamonds on wrist today. Put a 50 on a stick today. Mama didn't raise no hoe, I'm about action. 223 and make you dance like Michael Jackson. I'm proud of myself, I make wanna start rapping. Put a 20 bar on your head for that capping. For that capping, for that capping. I need all of my money off top, not a fraction. Young, it's a young world. Better hide your nigga, I could your girl. Shining like a new diamond, not a pearl. Having lucid dreams, R.I.P. the Juice WRLD. You only get one life, I gotta go hard. Gotta go hard, yeah, I gotta go hard. I spent 5 bands on a go yard. Spend another 5 bands on another go yard. Get it told. Therefore, here we go. 15 years old.